must pull through.
Calling Pedro. Ready for flight.
Now remember, Pedro, stay out of downdraft. Keep your muffler on tight. And first we'll bear awkward
Flight crew leaving Mendoza.
This wholesome diet that builds the gaucho's nerves of steel and muscles of iron. And now the boleador, or boat, scorpion of thrust consists of 3 lead weights covered the door hatch, and is often used for dashing at breakneck speed, the gaucho whirls the bolas round and round, faster and faster, and then the throw. Straight and sure it flies until it finds its mark, and the swift bird is captured and tied.
Delicate balance of foot-like precision and timing. Man and moving it.
Good night. The lone gaucho oft-times finds himself far out on the pampas. Melancholy strains of the priest, a sad romantic ballad.
Yo soy la blanca paloma que tiene el cantar de la luna. Yo soy.
Hope he got that out of his system.
Getting any younger.
Now with good luck and the
Hey, Pedro! Come back!
The little fellow had completely forgotten his responsibilities.
Pedro!
Oh, well, I'm gonna eat it.
Rocky snow-filled banks of the face of a leering monster. The oil froze in little Pedro's cylinders, and his motor knocked to his right. All those warnings came back to him.
No, look,
Treacherous cross-currents. A sudden storm.
I'm pretty hungry. I'm pretty hungry.
You dropped them as I tossed them out.
Thank you. One.
Mickey, what makes you so incredibly stupid?
I get around it.
Listen, I'll enter the foul establishment and get a chicken chap to chase me out. Then you strike it. Is the plan comprehensible?
Why, I got it. All right. Look out!
Strike him.
We won't catch any chickens if we fool around like this.